because I'm about to go text my friends and see what they want to do, because somebody got to see this. I'm trying to decide if I want to do red hair, but in my head, like I want like a side part with like some curls, like some curly hair. I still love this wig. It still feels really soft. This is the same wig from my previous install when I did red hair. I just took it off and put her in a little bag, and she doesn't shed at all. I want to say she's like 18 inches, I believe. I'm not always big on color, but I think I do like this. I just know I'm not like together right now. Like I just washed my face and put on my sunscreen and all of that good stuff. That's why I'm all shiny. So I feel like I'm giving holiday heart. If you know, that's not a good thing. But yeah, I'm gonna fix her up. And I think we're gonna put the red back on. It's given November. I think that's what I'm going for. If I don't like it, I'm gonna take it off tomorrow. So to go ahead and get started on my wig cap, I'm going to go in today with the Bold Hold Active Glue. And I really do like using glue for my wig caps versus like a spray, just because I feel like with the spray, the cap tends to roll back, and with the glue, it doesn't move at all. So I use one thin line across the front of my hairline. Make sure it's not actually getting on the hair. Make sure it's a little bit in front of the hairline. And then I spread it out and blow dry it. And I also like to go over it with some lace spray afterwards. And y'all, this will make sure that your wig cap does not move. And now I'm going in with some alcohol to clean up around the wig cap. I used to skip this step, but you guys do not skip this part because it really helps make your installs last longer. It helps the wig stick to your head. So now I'm just measuring the wig, making sure I don't need to cut off any extra lace, making sure it's sitting where I want it to sit. And then I'm going to go in with my pressed powder and start blending that in on the cap and on the lace. And you really want to make sure that you're covering every inch of the wig cap as well as the lace. This just helps it to look more natural when you actually lay it down with the spray. And as you can see, I like to do it on top of the lace as well as underneath it. Don't be afraid to really blend it out. Now I'm going in with the red can of EBIN spray, and I'm really only using one layer of spray, and then I spread it out. I blow dry it a little bit, and then I actually lay the wig down, and then I blow dry it the rest of the way. So now I'm going to go back in and add some more makeup on top of the lace just to help it look a little bit more natural. And then after I've added in some more makeup, I'm going to go on top of that with some Spritz spray. And you guys, I actually love using the Spritz spray method. I actually just discovered this like a few weeks ago. I'm pretty sure somebody else has already tried it, but I had never thought to do it until I was out of town and I didn't have like all of the things that I needed to do my hair. And my friend actually just had some Spritz spray, so I went in with that and it melts your wig like no other. Like it really, really works. So I like to use like a thin layer across like right at the edge of the lace. Add a little Spritz spray, blow dry it a little bit, and then you go in and put your wig band on to melt it down. Y'all, this really works. So I would try it if you've never tried it before, and it doesn't leave like a crunchy, hard finish or anything like that. Like it works really, really well. Now, while I'm letting the lace melt, I'm going to go ahead and start styling the wig. So like I said earlier in the video, I really been wanting to do like a side part, and I think I'm also going to curl it as well. But I'm going to go ahead and with my hot comb and just start molding the lace, carving out the side part like I want it before I start to go in with the curling iron. Now this is something I just started doing with my wigs and it makes it look 10 times better, but I like to go in and make a part right where the lace stops and the tracks would start on the wig. And I just like to part it out and lay it down with some wax stick, like just really mold it. And it makes the wig look more natural. It makes it look cleaner. It makes it look more, I don't really know how to explain it, but it definitely upgrades the whole look of the wig. So I would definitely recommend if you're doing like a side part or even a middle part, make sure that you really have crisp lines on your wig, if that makes sense. All right, now it's looking kind of how I want it to look. Now I'm debating on if I should keep it straight or if I should curl it, but I think I am going to curl it because that's what I was originally planning on. And yeah, so now we about to curl this thing. I'm gonna put something else to watch on TV. Now, typically when I curl my hair, I usually use my flat iron, but for today, I'm gonna go in with my curling iron instead because I really want some voluminous curls. So we're gonna section out the hair. I'm gonna go in with my 2-inch curling iron. I'm gonna curl away from my face, spray it with some holding spray, and then pin it because I really want the curls to last. I don't want them to drop. So we're gonna use the pins just to help them, you know, hold the curl. Now, I really love this curling iron. I've actually had it for a very long time, but I never really used it because I didn't know how to use a curling iron. But it's not that hard to use. I just needed to practice it. It does take, you know, some getting used to. But I love this one. It works really, really well. And it also gets very hot. I believe it goes all the way up to 450. So you don't have to, you know, hold the curl for a long time for it to take. I actually got it off of Amazon, so I will link it down below. The only thing I wish I had have done differently with this hairstyle is got a better holding spray. Like the holding spray that I used was not good. I do not recommend, but it's all that my local beauty supply store had at the time. And I just didn't want to keep driving around to find something else. So I just grabbed it. But I will link a better holding spray down below because you definitely want to get a good one when you're trying to curl your hair if you want the curls to last. And as far as the duck clips, I got those from my local beauty supply store as well. But I can link some from Amazon below just in case you don't have them near you. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I'm probably going to do like a little light face or something. I am about to wrap this back up, but I'm probably going to do like a, at least do my lashes or something. Yeah, I think I'm going to go do something real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, did me like some light little makeup. And now I'm excited to take these down. So let's hopefully they come out right. I think they're all out, and this is what it looks like right now. I think I got all the clips out. I hope I got them all out. Hold on. All right, quick outfit change. But no, this is what it looks like so far. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this, free this band off my head. Okay. Now before I do anything, okay. So far, I'm already loving it. Like, I'm loving it. But I'm gonna comb it out first, so. Y'all, stop playing with me. For real. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I didn't think it was gonna come out to be this good. Oh, stop playing with me. Look, I don't know what I'm about to go do, but I'm about to go do something because, wow, I love this. Stop playing with me. No baby hairs. I actually like the no baby hair look. I think that's me just getting old. Just to keep the flyaways down some. Wow. Just to have, y'all, I love this. I love this. And if you go back into my, I can't even stop looking at it. Oh, wow. And if you go back to my last video when I first installed this hair, I did kind of layer it, but I didn't cut any layers into it for this install. This is just me washing it and curling it. The layers was from the first time I installed it. So I love it. I did not even think this is going to come out looking this good. I think it's just the curls. I'm not even big on color, but this, baby, stop. Okay. I'm about to go because I'm about to go text my friends and see what they want to do because somebody got to see this. I am not about to sit up in the house looking like this. Somebody got to go see this. So I'm about to go. I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this as much as I love this because, like, I don't know. And maybe it's like the hair with like the black jacket, like the athletic jacket. Like, I feel like, what's the girl in X-Men or like the Avengers? I don't know. I feel grown. This is just so cute. Like, I love this. It came out way better than I expected. So I'm about to go celebrate because this was a successful video. Okay. Oh, wow. Like, I keep looking at myself in the mirror, but it's like, even in the camera. Wow. Okay, yeah. I'm about to go call my friends. Drinks is on me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh, and the hair will be linked down and below. I'm about to go have fun with somebody's son. Now I'm playing. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.